So sad.
Carasapo. Papá. Qué lindo.
This is grandma when she came to.
This is our house, right?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Uy, qué lindo. Has cambiado, tío.
See, come see. I said, baby.
Has cambiado mucho,
See,
tío.
come see. He was such a cute baby. Nice, cute baby. Wait, let me remove this.
This one, where was it? What's this place?
This was in Carrefour.
It has changed a
They
lot.
changed a lot.
Was it?
Mm.
Yeah, they changed the front. Look at me with you.
Mm-hmm. Yes, Daddy.
And that's
Look at
Daddy
them.
with you.
I think I forgot the mustache.
He got a mustache.
Que sí tiene uno. Hijo. Sí, es visible, pero no tiene mucho pelo.
You were such a happy baby, eh?
For some reason, I smiled a lot for no reason.
Yeah, whenever I brought a camera, because I started taking photos of you very early. So whenever I brought a camera, you were always ready to start smiling. Look at. Such a cute baby you were. Look. Look at us, your daddy, and I, and you. With grandma.
This was in
This was the
Gamara.
restaurant in our campo. You know that restaurant upstairs near the Echna?
Picasso.
Is it the name?
Okay, Picasso.
I didn't know the name. That's the restaurant we went there.
That's changed.
Mommy, I'll be aqua. See, mommy.
All these photos, eh?
See.
See, grandma.
This time I've left you to go offshore. This one. I left you to go to work and grandma was taking care of you. The person has brought mommy's car. Grandma's car.
Grandma. Almost all the photos are with Grandma.
Yeah, because I wasn't there then.
And I don't appear.
I've left you
Who is this?
to see your doctors. This is David, eh? That's David. You know he's your age mate.
I thought it was me.
Engagement, and I'm bigger than him.
Dios.
You're bigger than him. You were really big, chubby. Good afternoon, sir.
Mira.
This was your pediatrician and the nurse back then.
Is someone's mother from my school.
Now, who?
I think his name was
Which
Bruno.
one? Which one?
This one.
Really? How did you know?
Because he told me he has a photo.
Really? He has like one of the photos that we gave your doctor.
Yes.
Oh my god, he has this one. Wow, you see?
Bruno el de baloncesto.
Wow.
No, other.
Wow. Look at you. Such a cutie pie. My cutie pie son. Look at Look at
And me, I don't appear.
Yeah, because this is just for Kamsi. I made this album for when grandma was leaving.
And me?
See, when I was talking to you on the phone. Like from offshore, I will call you. And grandma will give you the phone to be saying hello to me and you'll be laughing. Yeah.
Who was this?
I can't remember who she is, but maybe one of the people that work in cruise road. See your daddy. It was a Chinese restaurant we went to. You remember this Chinese
yes,
restaurant?
I know.
Still go there, yeah. Still there.
This is Aunt Davy's mom.
Yeah,
Yes.
Maybe his mommy. That's us.
Who is this?
Yeah. You wouldn't know her. See, come. Come, my baby boy. Chop. Chop, baby. Get him. And that's the end. I'll still go back and make yours. Nene.
Hey.
Oh my God.
I hear you have you and Daddy. Daddy and you in your
Let me see.
marriage.
Yes. When we got married.
Daddy.
This thing is reflecting too much.
I know.
My parents.
This is Daddy's brother.
Yeah. But do you know the other people in the photo? Do you know who those are?
I don't know who is
You don't know who
this. This is
This is
Ifeanyi.
Yeah.
Ugo's dad.
Yeah, and that's who?
Ugo's mother.
Uh-huh.
Chamaka.
Yes. That's how old they were. Now, both of them are at uni. That's how old they were during our marriage. And that's us. Hey, this thing is reflecting badly. Look it like this. That's us with my uncles and aunties. Okay, my uncle, I will say I have one uncle. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 aunties. That's Oyilidie, for those who know her. Oyilidie and Nowa. That's her, my aunties. My maternal uncle and aunties. And here they are as well. And they came to present gifts at the table. Okay? And that's them dancing with Adeyinije.
Is this her?
Yeah, Adeyinije, yes, that time.
This is, I don't know.
This is my uncle here. He's late now.
What do you mean?
He's dead.
Sorry.
That's Oyilidie again. That's me. I'm going to look for your daddy. That's us with our friend. That's us with my friend and my cousin. We're going to their house now. Neka's house. We're going to their house now. Okay? Yeah. And that's that's my mom's people. They came to present their thing. And my husband's people came to present their own things. That's my husband's people as well. That's my sister-in-law and her husband, my sister-in-law and her husband. That's my friend from school, Nkechi. She came all the way from Enugu. That's who? Who is this?
Marka.
Yes, my cousin, Marka's friend. That's me at the back, coming out to greet the August. That's who? Unkunna, yeah. That's my mom dancing. Adeyinije dancing.
Where?
Here, in this compound.
The wedding was in this compound.
The wedding was in this compound, yeah. My daddy
Small.
and my husband.
Looks small for wedding.
You look small.
Yes.
Yeah. I didn't want a big wedding. This is the only wedding we did. We didn't do the other one where they wear white and all that. No time. I came back from work, did this, ran back to work. Okay? No time.
Wait, there's another.
I told your daddy that I wasn't ready to get married in June of that year because I had a very tight schedule, but he insisted. He said that if he didn't marry me, that somebody else would marry me, so he had to rush the marriage. That's us. That's us. It goes for me. That's me with my big scarf. The scarf that they tied me like a crazy person. That's me. That's us with Marka. That's
This
us.
is Daddy.
Yes.
Jesus.
Jesus. Why Jesus?
It doesn't look like.
It doesn't look like your daddy, no?
No. Because he shaved his
He shaved his
beard.
beard.
and his mustache.
That's him, looking like a good boy.
Wait, there was another one here.
Mm-hmm.